Hi guys, this is Diane. Today I want to share with you my personal experience when I applied at Outsource Doer. So in this video, I want to share one by one the job requirements, the application process, the work setup, and the benefits. So I will guide you from start to finish, including the interview questions. Last July 2022, I applied and passed the final interview for virtual assistant position. They sent me a job offer, however, I decided not to continue due to my other part-time jobs. But still, I want to share the entire process just in case you want to be one of their virtual assistants. As of today, yung vacant position nila is Digital Marketing Virtual Assistant. You will be more likely assigned to social media management, photo or video editing, email marketing, content writing, and more. Again, don't worry kasi may free training sila para sa mga new employees nila. To pass the application and interview, we should have these requirements. First is, you have your own laptop or PC and then strong internet connection. Quick suggestion lang rin, may pinost akong link sa description box for the best budget laptops for work from home setup. Second one is previous experience related to digital marketing. But if wala kang experience, all you need is the strong passion to learn, which is in-emphasize talaga nila when I was interviewed. Third on the list is tech savvy and familiar with digital marketing tools like Microsoft Office, Canva, and more. This is only an advantage and not necessary because you will learn this on training. Fourth is you are able to work full-time from home and work on graveyard shift. Fifth one is good verbal and written communication skills in English. Next is application process. Since we already know the important things to consider, let's start the application process, which I summarize into 5 steps. Step 1. Apply on their website. Open lang natin yung Chrome and then type sa search bar, outsourcedoers.breezy.hr. Scroll down and then click Apply beside the Digital Marketing Virtual Assistant. After that, click Apply to Position. On this page, upload your resume by clicking this button. After uploading, write your full name and address, and then click Submit Application. So, application submitted na, and we'll just have to wait sa email nila, which is same dito sa na-receive ko noong June 16, 2022. Step 2. Follow-up questions. On their email, bibigyan kanila ng link for follow-up questions, and all you need to do is click the link and answer the follow-up questions. These are the questions you need to answer. Mga personal information lang yung hinihingi nila sa part na to. Step 3. Video screening test. After the follow-up questions, mag-i-email sila ulit indicating if you have passed the resume test, and they will send you a link for the video screening test. Ito rin yung email nila when they sent me the link for video screening, and they share the tip to get through the next round. So make sure you read it before taking the test. As far as I can remember, walang time limit yung test, and then there were a total of 4 questions. Sa first and second questions, itatype mo lang yung answer mo. The questions I encountered are the following. What is more important? Work-life balance or high salary? What does outstanding service mean? For the third and fourth questions naman, you should record a video of yourself answering the questions. They already have a built-in recorder sa link, so what you need to do is click the record button. So in this part, you need to have a webcam in order to do the video recording. The questions I encountered are the following. What is your favorite hobby? What makes you stand out from other candidates? After you answer the 4 questions, click mo lang yung submit button. Step 4. Video interview. If you pass the video screening process, they will send an email about the details of the interview. Magsasend sila ng link of the interview and all you need to do is click the link 10 minutes before your scheduled time. You just have to dress properly and also test the webcam and audio if nagwo-work ba. Your schedule will most likely be 1 day after sila nag-email. So you have enough time para makapag-ready sa mga possible questions nila sa interview. As far as I remember, these are the questions na tinanong nila sa akin. First is, introduce yourself. Second, do you know anything about our company? Third, what's your computer specifications and internet speed? Fourth, was there a time you made a mistake and admitted it? Fifth, was there a time you felt frustrated with the management and how did you resolve it? Sixth, do you know any editing softwares like Canva? Seventh, how long do you see yourself working in our company? Step 5. After you pass the interview, they will check your references and call them one by one. If they don't encounter any problem, they will send you a job offer and the outline of the role and the documentation requirements. Next naman is yung work setup. You are expected to work 8 hours per day, 5 days per week. Work from home so you can earn money at the comfort of your home. Next is graveyard shift with 10% extra pay. Since the client may reside in Australia, New Zealand, US, UK, or Canada. First week to 5th week will be training period only. And after completion of the training program, will be probationary employment. Benefits and perks. Digital marketing training with allowance. Full-time home-based position with full government benefits including 13th month pay. HMO upon regularization, rewards, and recognition programs, and monthly team celebrations. Great company culture and work-life balance. And that's it. I hope makapasok ka sa outsource doers and be one of their digital marketing virtual assistant. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Salamat sa panonood and God bless sa journey mo.